Good morning. Welcome to the Jira Basic Training Session 3. My name is Anush Kumar, a Jira Administrative Trainer. In previous session, we have go through an all the important term and terminology in Agile. Now, now in session 3 topics, we will cover the following topics like we will understand the Jira architecture, how to create the project, how to add the user, give the permission as a admin, how to create the product backlog, how to create the different types of issues, how to assign these issues, how to prioritize an issue, how to give a story point. Okay. So this thing we will cover in the session 3. So as a Jira admin, you can create the project, add the team member, give the respective permission to respective user. This all come under the user management activity. That is the come under the Jira administration. So you you have okay, you all have created the Jira account, right? Basically, you are a admin of your own Jira account. Okay, so you can create the projects and do the user management activity. Okay. So now, first we will understand the Jira architecture. Okay, so what is the Jira architecture? A high level overview I am providing. The first, that is a UI, that is a client interface. That is a web-based UI access through the browser. We can access the Jira with the help of the browser URL, which I have told you to copy paste and bookmark that URL. From there, you can access the Jira, your Jira account URL. Then this Jira account basically support the REST API for integrations of the other tools like Jenkins, Git, Confluence. Okay. Now, second application layer, that is a Jira core engine. Okay, basically Jira is built with the help of a Java language. The framework which it basically uses the Apache. Okay, the it manages the issue tracking. The Jira basically used for issue tracking, workflow, permission, and notification, which we generally provide to respective users. Now, the Jira base basically support different types of databases like for configuration and for data related thing like MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, MySQL servers. Now, it also supports plugin and add-ons like marketplaces, which for plugins, add-on, and third-party application will be available in the marketplace inside the Jira. From that marketplace, we will add the third-party tools. Okay. So extending the core Jira functionality with the help of the marketplace add-ons. Now, Jira includes the Jira software, ITSM, basically a Jira service management and third-party tool integration. Okay. So now how the Jira optimize the database. The for optimizing the database, Jira use indexing and perform the optimizations. Now for authentication and authorization, the Jira basically use SHO OR2 CROD. So this OR2 is basically a security which is used in the Java Spring Boot application for providing a end security feature in any application. So basically OR2 is used, JWT authentication. These things are used for security purpose. And roles are permission based access control basically is given by the Jira software. So this is basically a Jira architecture where you have seen the UI, you have seen the core Jira layer from which language the Jira software is made, that is a Java, which framework the Jira has used, the Apache, and what it is using. It is used for tracking, workflow permissions. Then you have seen the what database it is basically supporting MySQL Server, PostgreSQL. What are the plugins, third-party tool, marketplace you have seen under the Jira architecture. Now you have seen, how the Jira do the indexing and optimize the flow in the data with the help of the performance optimizers. Then how the Jira handle the security thing in backend. So it use the OR2 for the backend for security thing. Basically, OR is commander security in the Java Spring Boot applications and role and permissions control. So this is basically a Jira architecture. Now, moving to the what is the project in Jira. So project in Jira is a container for a group of related issues. Issues can be task, subtask, story, and work that are managed together. It is it includes like a board. Scrum and Kanban board. It have a workflow. It have a issue type, fields and screens. Then inside the project we have reports, dashboards, and permission. Each project is used by the team to organize, track, and deliver the work. Okay. So while creating the project, you will see the project key. So project key basically a unique key or a prefix which uniquely identify your project. When you want to search your project from the uh, in basically in company there will be lots of projects, but you want to search your only your project, okay, and you don't know your project name. Then in this case, the project key come into the picture. You can write the project key in the search option and you can see your project. Okay, like you have created a project with the name HR. So key will be created in HR and accordingly the respective number will be given. So it is defined when you create the project, you will automatically the key will be generated. You can also customize the project after, but you cannot change the key of your project. So how to create a project? First, log into your Jira account, go to the project, create the project, choose the template, Scrum or Kanban. Then you have to choose what types of project you will use, a team managed project or company managed project. Okay, so team managed project basically used for a small scale application. Basically, here the team members are admin. Company managed project for large scale application, large enterprises, large number team. Here the basically Jira admin is only the admin person here. Then you will give the project name, the project key will be generated, and click create, the project will be created. So let me show you how to create an project in your Jira account. So everyone has created the Jira account, as I have shown you how to create a Jira cloud account. Now how to create a Jira project. You can see your work project. So click on the project tab. You can see recent project one we have generally created while creating a Jira account. Now, how to, and inside this project tab, you see a view all project. After clicking a view all project, you can see all the project which are under your section or which you are included or which all project are in your organization and which you have access. Now, in going back, for creating project, click on the project. Click on the create project button. After clicking on the create project, you see the project templates. So project template, we can see different types of things, software development or software development thing, service management for IT and operation thing. For human resources, HR will use the human resourcing, marketing and salesperson will use the marketing things, finance and department. Further, there are many templates. So we will see the software development, click on software development. Then which types of project you want to develop. You want to develop a Scrum, you want to use a Scrum framework or Kanban framework. So here currently we will go with the Scrum framework. Click on the Scrum, click on the use template, upper or bottom side, click on here use template, click. Then here comes the team managed project. Here you can see that choose the project type. You have two project type, team manage and company manage. So what is team manage? For team who want to control their own working progress and practice in the self-contained space, then they can use the team manage. So basically team manage have a small feature, company manage project have much more feature than team manage project. Okay, so in team manage, the team members are basically admin, but in company manage project, the Jira admin is only the admin. Okay, so company manage have more feature. It is used for large scale organization and everything. So click on the company manage project. Select company manage project. So we will select company manage. Click on select company manage. Now second, add the project detail. Now here you can write your project name. So I have, this is my project three. So I will write, you can write any name like e-commerce project, any name. I am giving project three because this is my third project, and automatically you can see the project key is generated. You can also customize the key by doing this way. Okay, you can also customize your key, but after clicking on create project, you will not further customize the key. Okay, You will not able to customize further. Here only you can customize the key. Oh, now clicking on the create project. Uh, Now this part you can skip for now. You can see your project tree has been created. Okay. And this is the unique key, PROJ code. And this is the basically your board here. Click on this. You can search that is PROJ board. You can see. And this board is your project board, PROJ board. So you can see here, this is a to do in progress and done. So basically this to do in progress in done, these are the respective status. Means if your requirement in to do state, you have not started to work on the requirement. So all the requirement come under the to do state. When when you start working on the requirement, then the requirement come under in progress stage. Okay. Then all the requirement is completed, then you move your requirement from here to here in the done state by moving drag and drop. You will see further what are the different kind of status and how we move the requirement from one status to other status. Now we will see how, as you are a Jira admin of your this Jira account, we will see how to add the team members in your respective project. Click on the teams button. Click on the invite people on the Jira. Let it be load. It is taking, it will take few minutes. Now, here you have to give the email of your respective team members. Like I am writing Anuj K95 @gmail.com. Okay, click on this. Now, now you have added. At a time, you can add 5% in this current free trial. And but you have a premium, you can add more than 5% here. You can add one more email in this way. Anuj 194 @gmail.com. In this way, you can add one more port. So basically, gmail.com. Click this one. In this way, you can add more than 1%. Now, now how you are giving the permission to any users. Okay, you are Jira admin. So you can see here access, allow user to invite other person. If you disable this, the user which you are including in the project, they cannot invite other person. If you enable, they can invite other person. Okay, in this way you are giving the user access permission. Currently, we have not indicated any other third-party application, so we can see only one access permission here. But let me show you a few more things. Like in this Jira account, if I want to add the team members, click on the invite team members. Click your team member email ID, Anuj K, and this email ID. Now you can see the permissions, other product. We have in this current Jira account, we have integrated the other product also, like we have indicated the Confluence, other Jiras and Confluence. Okay, this is Compass, this is other Jira and Confluence. So by clicking here, enabling, we are giving the access to this particular user that you have the permission to access respective apps, Confluence, Compass. But by enabling this, we are disabling the permission that user will not be able to access the Compass, Jira, and Confluence. So in this way, we are giving the permission, access permission, or limiting the permission to respective users. So now you all people understand how to add the people, how to give the permission to respective users. Okay. Uh, okay. Now in this current, we have added the two users. We have allowed one permission. Click on the add these two people. Add. So what will be happen here? The email will be sent to respective Gmail that you have been invited to the respective Jira project, and by clicking on the Jira project, the respective, you can see here, successfully added. we send email to everyone by confirming you will add them into a Jira. Okay, when they will confirm, they will automatically will be added to your respective Jira account. Okay. Now this thing I have done. Let me check in my I have given uh, in Gmail na. Maybe I have given this Gmail. Let me check. Yeah, you can see the email has come to this email ID, that is anujabeh1994. Now click on here. You can see it. Admin invite you to join. You are admin. So here it is written admin invite you to join the team in the Jira. To accept invite. By accepting this invite, the person will be added in my this Jira project. Okay. So it is loading. Okay. Let me wait for a few minutes. Let it be. Now, let it be load. Let me come to that account again. So now, so we are in project 3. Now, what is a backlog? We can see here. This is a backlog. Wait a minute. Okay. Let the load the side. Okay. Now we will see how to add the issues in the backlog. So where is the backlog? This you can see backlog. Click on the backlog here. So you are currently in the backlog dashboard. Okay. Drag down. This is a backlog. Okay. Backlog. So how to create an issue? So issues are epic, story, task, subtask. Okay. So first we will see how to. You can see here epic. Click here. Enable. So this is epic tab. So drag down. You can create the epic from here. Click here. Currently, you are in project 3. You can change the project, go to the project 1, project 2 also from here. What you want to create, we are creating the epic. You can, epic is selected. Currently, we are in to-do state. We have not created a sprint. Remove this. Write the summary of the epic. Write summary like creating a home page. Okay. Epic is a high level requirement. Okay. Remove leave the parent, leave the component. So here it is a description. So in description you want to add more detail about your epic, so that if any user want to understand more in detail, he can read from the detail. Okay, here you can add the images also, you can add the link also from here. Okay. Now version, remove it. How to add the priority in your respective issues? See, priority will be highest, high, low, lowest. So we will first work on highest priority, then high priority, then low, lowest. So in this way, like I am selecting highest. So in this way, we are giving the priority to any issues. Okay. Team members, just leave it for now. If you want to attach any documentation, click on the browser, then attach any file from the respective drive and click on open. And in this way, you will attach any file. So currently I am not attaching any file. And then done anything, you want to assign this epic to anyone, you can assign from this. Okay, like I am assigning to myself. So click here, Anuj, assigning this epic to myself. You can see assign to me means I am assigning this epic to myself only. Then create on the epic. So it is creating. So you can see the epic has been created. They create a home page. Okay. Now you have created PROJ1 epic. Now we can see this epic is created. Now, how to create any issue? So we will create issue with the help of the create tab. So you can see the create tab. Click on the create tab. You can choose from which project you want to create which issue. Currently, we are working on the project C, so let it be the project tree. You want to what? You want to create a task, to click on the task. If you want to create the story, click on the story. First, we have created the epic. Now we will create the story. Now, currently we are in to-do state. We have not yet started. When we have start working, we will move to in progress state. How we will move in progress? Just clicking on this, we can move to in progress state. Now, what is a summary? Summary of the story is I will, as a user, I want to create a save button. As a user, I want to create a minute. As a user, from I want to create a save button button so that I can save user details. Okay, this is a basic summary, and you can add the brief detail more about your user story here. Same way, just now click on create. Now, as we have click on create. Now let it be see. You can see you have created the. This is the ID PROJ dash index number 2. Let me refresh this one. Refreshing. After refreshing, we can see the story which we have just created is been added here. Okay. Now, let me move to the previous user account. Huh. You can see that account after validating with the email. So this user can see the project, that is project 3, in his account. Okay. As he has been added, so he can see the project 3. Okay. This is one account and this is another account. From this account, we have created the project and we have added the this user, and this user now come inside my project. Okay, this is the project. Okay. Like currently he have the we have given the access to create the things. Okay. So he can also create the user stories from here. See, he can also see the one thing I want to tell you. So why we are using Scrum? Because in previous model, the visibility is low. Now, as I have created one user story, it is also be seen in this UI. So this person can also see that this user story has been created. And so, and this and currently we have given this user that he can also create a the admin thing. So he can also create the things. But if you disable, he will not able to create the thing. So in company generally, the respective user, the all the admin permission are disabled. Okay. Okay. Now moving to our account. Now we have created the things. Okay. From here also we can create the issues, like you can create the task, right? Like task is the further we break down the story into smaller chunks is called a task. So as a user, I want to create a save button to add the user story. So how you will add the user detail? By adding the details in the form. So the other another task will be I want to have to create a form. As let me add the thing as a mm, user, I want to add a name as a, like the front end part will done as a like we want to write in this sense, create a form, create a form to add user detail. In this way also we can add. Now we have created this the task store. We have created the epic, we have created the story, we have created the task. Now we will create what? Bug. What is bug? If something bad happen, if we are trying to log in into any account and it is not, we are not able to log in, then it is a defect. That defect is called a bug. Like WhatsApp, we are trying to log in the WhatsApp, okay, after clicking, but your WhatsApp is not opening. Okay, the user credential is false. This is the defect. This is the bug. So in now we are creating the bug that after logging we are not able to come to the home page. After a login, we are not able to access a account. So this is a bug basically. Okay. Now further we will see. So currently we are in to-do state. You can see to-do. We can change from here also to-do to in progress by clicking on the in progress button. That this thing is moved from to-do to in progress state. Okay. Now, second thing, how this is a user story. How anyone know which user story is assigned to which user, yeah, which teammate. So from here, respective team member can click on this icon, that is the unassigned. Currently it is unassigned. You can click on the this team member, that is Anush, that is me. So this user story is assigned to me. Okay. Now this second, that is the task, click on this unassigned icon. Okay. Click here. Let it be. Let it be. Click on the Anuj Kumar, yeah, Anuj K95. So this user story is assigned to Anuj K95. So in this way, we are assigning a user story to respective team members. Okay. So how we will give the priorities, because high priority will be in the top. This is highest priority. In this way, we are giving the priority to the respective issues. Then from here, you can click this three dot and click on the low priority. In this way, we are giving the priority. Now we have given the how we will give the a story point to respective user story. So basically click on this icon. You can see your by dragging here, you can see a story point. Click on this. You can give a story point like to click on the tick. It is or enter. It will be marked. Click on this story point icon. Let it be refresh my once. Click on this. Refresh. Let it be. Let it refresh. 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 Click on this. Not working. Let it be. So it will take some time and it will start working. Now, let me go to the slide. Let me tell you in detail what are the respective story point and all. So, we have seen how to create the project. We have seen what is team manage, company manage project. So team manage is basically used for a small scale project. A small team will be used, and a small organization. Company manage project is used for a wide organization and a large team members. I have told you team manage is basically all the team members are admin. But in company manage, I have told you only the Jira admin is only admin. Huh? In team manage, we can customize any team member can customize, but in company manage that Jira admin can customize the thing and it is shared across multiple projects, because in company manage the company is using for creating a multiple project, but team manage is basically for one project. Okay. So permissions. Coming to the permission, team manage simple role-based access, that is admin and member. A small scale team, every team member is admins and member. But company manage there is a large organization, large team, so detailed permission is needed. The permission is given by the Jira admin to respective users. Okay. Then scalability. Talking about the scalability, the team manage is for a small scale, है ना? Company manage is best for the large scale organization. The scalability is more in company managed project. Okay. So these are the basic thing. Now